Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. For this one, I can put into sin x over cosine x and tan x over cosine x. Next, tan x, that's about sin x over cosine x. So I will put cosine x go to here. And you got about cosine x squared. The integration of this one in here, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosine x. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative next to the u. So this one we have u squared sin x dx, we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have 1 over u, and we put about c. This is about the formula in here. About u, that's about cosine x. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.